Meaning of draining board.
Draining board.
Draining board.
Draining board.
Draining board. A draining board, also known as a dish rack or drying rack, is a flat surface used to hold dishes, glasses, and utensils after they have been washed. The primary purpose of a draining board is to allow excess water to drain off the dishes and into a sink or tray underneath. This helps to prevent the accumulation of standing water on the dishes, which can lead to bacterial growth and unpleasant odors. Overall, a draining board helps to ensure that dishes are clean, dry, and ready to use again.